nagbibintangan ako. Ayan si Manong Guard, ha? Lagi akong nakikita ni Manong Guard. Sabihin niyo sa kanila totoo, di ba? Nandyan lang ako. Oo, di ba nandyan lang ako, Manong? Oh, kasi they're saying na may kasama daw akong lalaki. Sabihin niyo, Manong, I'm alone. Si Manong, oh. Hindi ba I was alone? Oh, kaya, di ba I was alone, Manong? Kaya nga, these people, grabe talaga, may kasama daw ako. Sabi ko, I was alone na lang there. So, that's it. No, I mean, see, it's across the street lang, and I do not need this, I do not need this in Chase. Anyway, you've seen it, and, well, we had dinner, and we had fun talking about these maids nga, and all these attackers, and all these mistresses, and, you know, I think it's only fair that that we talk again about Karen and Gladys